Hi everyone! I've been to my sister today for her birthday, and she gave me my present for my birthday. That was last month, and I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to do it earlier today, but yeah, this happened. I just knocked over a bottle of olive oil. So yeah, I'm going to open it now. It's something from Ikea, I know that. I haven't seen what's on the package yet, so I'm curious. But I just want to open it and not look what it is. My mother said it would fit my new couch. My new couch. Please don't look too much at my clothes. It was a long day, and after the accident I had to put on other clothes because there was olive oil on my pants and everything. So this is my comfy pants. I made them a few years back. These are just for indoor chillness. So, well, Ikea. For all the kids at home, let your parents do this kind of stuff. What will it be? What will it be? Something metal. Plastic bag. Maybe I can recycle it into a plastic container bag. I think I will do that. Put all my plastic stuff in here and then put it in a big plastic bag that I have downstairs. So I don't have to have a big bag of plastic up here. Yes. You know, by the way, talking about recycling, there is like a fungi that you can make like this kind of things of. They can make it from fungi and hay, I think. Okay. What is it? Oh, it's glass. Ah, it's metal and glass. Okay. Okay, first I'm going to look for the screwdriver. Nope.
Soy un vikingo y solo sé conquistadores, rozar, aniquilar. Cojo enfermedades de transmisión sexual. Lo que más me gusta es violar. Bebe cerveza, hierba y ancianos, porque me gusta verlos correr en llamas.
Jagas punks och jag gillar att dura superslåss och jag vill dansa sista dansen med dig. Vi är bäst när vi åker i Vepava-turné åt ingen annan jävel ska bråka med oss.
Pretty okay, could be faster I think. My VITTSJÖ table is ready. Thank you.